This project is a study initiation that is happening in Eastern London in South Africa, where FINE is doing a field evaluation of the new lateral flow assay or rapid test for gonorrhea diagnostics. We trained 25 health workers, including senior nurses, health workers, lab technicians, on how to use the lateral flow assay, how to use the cartridge and the test and interpret the results. 5 sites are participating in the study. They are located in Eastern London in South Africa, and these are basically rural facilities. This study will inform the performance of the lateral flow assay for gonorrhea, how the test is being used in real-life settings with fresh clinical samples, and this will help us to finalize the development of the diagnostic to be ready for the market in the following few years.